pod nitiere kwan kata oganda mano mabende romo atamalo 40 ma yangore ni nyalo bedo ka gamo tuo mar kahera e pacho kae. Magine oyangi kod jatend migao mano mabende ochung'ne migao no mano mar thieth Eden Duale e sach nyasi mane obagi bore Nairobi kocha e mbalarianya mano ma Nairobi, kama bende negi tuak ewi midhiero mano mabende tuo kahera nyalo bedo ka kelo e pacho kae, moloyo to ne oganda mago mabende odak e bombe mago mathur kae. Ne oyangore ni migao no chano tiyo kod yorego mago mag lony manyasani mano mar yango kata neno ni ng'ato osegamo tuo mano mar kahera.
Kenya has made commendable progress, achieving a 45% reduction in TB incidents and a 58% reduction in TB-related deaths since 2015. This reflects sustained government investment, strong county collaborations, and effective partnership. But we must now move faster, more cohesively, and greater accountability. The Ministry of Health, working with county governments and partners, have scaled up TB services across all our 47 counties. We have strengthened our diagnostic capacity by deploying the molecular test and the ultra-portable AI-enabled digital X-ray machines, enabling early and accurate detection even in some of the most remote parts of our country. And this is how we have operationalized universal health coverage, by taking service to the people. Ladies and gentlemen, ending TB will not be achieved through medical intervention alone. TB is driven by poverty, TB is driven by overcrowding, malnutrition, and environmental exposure. And our response must therefore be very comprehensive. Ending TB requires a coordinated, a whole-of-government response that addresses both the medical and the social drivers of the disease. We as government are strengthening efforts across sectors to improve the living conditions, enhance nutrition, promote safe and healthy environment, and expand access to screening and care in high-risk settings and workplace. And I want to ask the leadership of Nairobi County. They must take the health sector very seriously. I don't know why. I've never seen the CEC for Nairobi County in any of the health functions done in Nairobi. Neither the deputy governor or the governor. And I want to say it here, Nairobi is one of the leading counties in TB closes. Nairobi, Mombasa, Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Migori, Kakamega, Kisumu, Kiambu, Homa Bay. These are the counties that we have mapped out with the partners. And this changes every month and every quarterly. But we really want, because health is devolved, we really want our counties to take the lead.
This meeting today that we are holding is about that mother in Kahera who can now hold her child again after completing TB treatment. It is also about a boda rider in Kakamega who thought his persistent cough was nothing serious, only to discover that early testing saved his life. And it is about a young man in Mombasa who was battling both TB and HIV, and today is alive and hopeful because he got integrated. So these are the faces of TB in Kenya, but they are also the faces of courage, survival, and hope.